So, I'm gonna do a bit of an unboxing video for you guys tonight. I ordered a big shipment of equipment I knew I was gonna need for my YouTube channel, and I ordered the cheapest camera I could find on YouTube. It was a bet, ladies and gentlemen, it was a bet. But without further ado, because I know you got things to do this weekend, I know a lot of you guys probably got your taxes, you don't want to get shopping, and I know you got things to do tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get into it. First up, oh yeah, we got our Comica VM10 shotgun mic. Now, this is a condenser mic that sits on top of your camera, or not on your counter, but on top of your camera, and that way it can record, the sound, because it's right here. Hold on, where is that? Right here. It's a condenser mic. It blocks out the sound of things around you, and it catches your voice directly. I got this shotgun mic because I wanted the quality of the videos to sound a lot better, because the shotgun mic I'm currently using is something I ordered off of Amazon, and it was for a quick $20-$30, and I don't know if it's the best sounding quality, but I wanted to give you guys that studio quality sound. So without further ado, let's unbox it, see what we got here. I'm trying to open it, y'all. Hold on. There we go. And would you look at that? See? You get a specialized case, and I don't know if you can tell. Hold on. It says Comica inscribed on the writing on front. Hold on, let me brighten my lighting here. It says Comica engraved right there. It's a little carry pouch so you won't lose your equipment. Let's see what we got here. Put the box over here. I'm going to put it back here shortly. We have the dead cat that goes with it. It's to block out windy noises, the sound of nature and the high winds while you're recording, and it still gives you that crisp, clean audio sound. This is our dead cat that goes with it. Some might call it a wind muff or whatnot, and that's what these things are. These are called a wind muff, and it catches the impact of a lot of your speech when you talk on a mic. If you say P's heavily, or like heavily, if you say P's heavily, or say M's heavily, or say N's heavily, or O's heavily, whatever your letter that you use, like with a lisp or something like that, then it catches that sound and it centers it, so it sounds perfect. But anyway, we also have the holder, I would like to call it, the shoe to the microphone itself, and this is what helps it stays mounted on top of the camera. And I will show you guys in just a sec. So we're gonna unpackage that real quick. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, hold on. And here it is. Here it is, y'all. Oh, I don't know if you can catch it. Yeah, I'm trying to get close enough with it. There we go. It says Comica. I know my phone camera is not the best. I'm sorry. It says Comica condenser mic, and it's the VM10. And this right here, as inscribed, helps it stays mounted on top of the camera. For example, if I wanted to put this on, there you go, right there, and it gives the crisp, clean audio sound. And I'm about to switch mics real quick, because I do have the TSSR and the TSR. So give me a sec here while I hook that up. Let me see which one. Only way to find out, ladies and gentlemen, if we open this real quick, so we know which one is which. Oh, it says for smartphone. Here we go. We're gonna switch mics real quick. Give me just a second. All right, this was the current microphone that I got off of Amazon that I was using early on in the video, and right now I'm speaking to you guys using the Comica VM10 shotgun mic, and I can't really tell the audio on my end, so You guys gonna have to let me know in the comment section below, how does the audio quality sound? Does it sound better? Does it sound worse? Does it sound just about the same? Hey, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, right now I'm using the TRS to TRS audio cable, and that's for the smartphone, because the TRRS is for, you know, the cameras. So, and I don't know if I got that mixed up. Let me know in the comment section below as well. But it does say so in the box, and it'll have a little tag that'll let you know which one is for camera and which one is for smartphone. So right now I'm using the smartphone cord, as I should, for this individual setup right here. And that's the Comica VM10 mic. Hold on, I'm not going to really put that away, because after this video is up, I definitely want to repackage it and keep it safe, because I do have kids, you know, so. And this right here, ooh-wee, is the digital camera that this is definitely the controversial 4K camera that you can get off of Amazon. So let's unbox it, ladies and gentlemen, see what we're working with here. Says Ultra 4K and Wi-Fi. See, Ultra 4K HD. And we're going to test that theory right here. It says Wi-Fi connection. We're going to see all that it comes with. We're going to get it cut on real quick. There's a nice little welcome screen here. And as you can tell, I'm looking at my own equipment here. So, and as, I don't know if you could tell in the video, I'm looking at myself while looking at myself, and the quality isn't really that bad. It definitely refocuses in high definition. The audio is not the best when you record from this camera, but we're gonna try with the macro lens that it came with. So give me just a sec here while I get all that set up. I'm not really impressed with it. It works for what it does, and that's all I can say. It works for what it does. If you don't have a camera and you're on a budget, I would recommend using this camera. Like, don't stress yourself and say, I can't shoot content because I don't have a camera that is the best of quality, and da-da-da. No, don't worry about all that. Don't worry about all that. That's not for you to worry about, my friend. Just do what the Lord God has called you to do. He'll take care of the rest. You know what I mean? There's people who had the worst, the absolute worst, right? The absolute worst quality, but had professional sounding audio and still made amazing videos, okay? And would you look at that? Wow. I don't know if you guys can tell, because the lighting is all in the video. But we're looking at ourselves, and like I said, the video quality is really amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it to video. And we're recording our first. We're recording our very first video, and it is definitely having a autofocus issue. And there's no way to really tinker with it. We have a shoehorn on top where you can put the camera, shotgun mic, and that way you gotta let this thing really just... At night is not the best. I tested this thing out because before, you know, I did this unboxing video, I definitely, as you can tell, the quality is not all there. It just works for what it does. Hey, you don't have to have the perfect looking video, but the audio quality has to be A1, y'all. So right now, you really can't tinker too much with the features because it's a basic $100 phone. I would recommend taking this off, the macro lens. And you do a little better without the macro lens, honestly. The macro lens on, it's like a no-no. Wow, this is some pretty bad quality, y'all. It's far away. Up close, it has no issues with focusing. But far away, yeah, you're going to have a few issues. I'm letting you know that now. I don't know why the videos are in bad quality like this. It catches the background at 30 frames per second, 4K, resolution, but when it comes to you, it's just And we're gonna power off this little bad boy. It's a basic camera, you know what I mean? If you use it at a decent lighting, you won't have any issues. Like I said, it works for what it does. You don't got a trip and nothing like that. This is a lens cap. You screw it on the front of the lens. That way you don't have to worry about accidental shots if the camera is powered on and all good stuff like that. I have my power box. It comes with a charging port for both batteries. And of course, I have my USB to adapter charger cord. And I got my lens caps. I have my lens cap for my macro lens and for the other side of the lens as well. But anyway, that is just my basic camera. I got more equipment as well. It's really strange. I tried to put the camera in backwards, the lens in backwards to see if it'll pick up on something, but it really didn't. But anyway, we're gonna move on to the next item once I get this all packaged away. Give me just a sec, ladies and gentlemen. And next up, ladies and gentlemen, we have our lavalier microphone. I ordered another one in case I have a guest on the show and I can't use my Zoom 2 podcast mic because it's an indoors mic. I mean, I could always use it with a boom, but I don't own a boom stick currently at the time. So I can't use that microphone currently, sadly. So I had to order another lavalier microphone. It's a different company than the one I currently have. And it comes in this cute little pouch right here. It says Miracle Sound. And I would test this one out. And it seems a little heavier, with heavier quality than the one I'm currently using. I mean, the other one isn't really cheap. I paid about $30 for that one. And this one right here, I paid about $35 for this one. So I paid $5 more for this one. And it feels a little heavier. So I can tell it has great sounding quality. This one is definitely more to go because it doesn't have an extension condenser cord to go with it, I should say. And that is most definitely for the on-the-go features videos I have to do. And I'm in the car, I'm shopping at Walmart, and I gotta do a quick update video. As you'll see, here in about a month or so, I'm gonna be doing those as well. But anyway, let's move on to the next item, ladies and gentlemen. That was my lavalier. Next up, I have my Amazon Basics. Oh, shoot, y'all. We finally got it. We have a daggone tripod. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Be careful with this one. This plastic unrolled a little bit. It was supposed to have plastic on it, but it kind of unrolled. And I'll probably be packaging this one up. We have a leveling system that makes sure the camera is nice and even. As you can tell, it swivels and extends up. It extends down at the base. Right here. Swivels down. Swivels up. Swivels like that. You extend the legs like this here. You extend that right here. You extend that center right there to close it back. This right here, I found out playing with it yesterday when it arrived. You go like that. You open that. You extend the legs. Close it back. And it locks. And right here, we have a bolt for our camera, and which I'm going to start using more often because, well, in the daylight anyway, because if I use it during that night, the quality isn't going to be the best at all. But this right here, I got this tripod when I'm going to start doing my outside videos. Right now, I have what they call a talking head video, where you don't see the whole body of the person in the video. You just see them from their head, neck, shoulders, chest, and arms. That's it. That's called a talking head video. But anyway, I want to start doing a lot more outdoors, podcast or YouTube videos. And with the help of this tripod, because it extends to at least 18 inches. So right now, 6 foot perfectly, so it'll extend at least up to my chest or whatnot, and that way I can get a nice little relaxing chair, and I can speak to you guys in the video and deliver some great content to you guys. But anyway, this was the tripod, the Amazon Basics, and I'll let you know where it says it at right here. Amazon Basics, and it comes in this bronze color. You can get it in black, but I ordered it in this bronze color right here. I like the little finish of it, the matte finish of it. It really looks cool. But right now, I just needed a basic tripod because my last one broke, and I was like, oh man, what do I do? What do I do? And I saw this on Amazon, and I thought, you know what? I might as well get it. Might as well get it. I'm gonna put it back in this plastic packaging because I like to take care of things. So, bear with me, y'all. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. And also, it comes in this little carry case. You could put your tripod. I almost forgot. We put the tripod in here, and you can carry it on the go. It has a nice little carrying strap right here. You can put it on your shoulders, or you can carry it like this. If you a man like me, I don't care how I carry it. If you're a man like me, you don't care how you carry it. Carry it like a backpack. Carry it by your hand. Tie it to your waist. I'm just messing with y'all. But anyway, I'll usually carry it like a backpack. I carry it like this, or I just carry it like this, because it'll be heavy and you don't really want that weight on your shoulders all the time. So I just carry it however. But anyway, it has a nice little strap. You know what I mean? You could, if you like to use it for more than just the tripod, you can. You can use it to put spare change in. You can use it to put candy in here if you're trying to hide snacks from your kids. So it serves its purpose. But anyway, that was the unboxing video. I'm about to say the unpackaging. The unboxing video for tonight. I thank you all for rocking with me. I know you had things to do today. Thank you for just kicking it with me here on the YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. I hope you all have a beautiful and blessed weekend. Like I said, I'm going to start bringing you guys some amazing content, so make sure you look out for that in the coming days ahead. Anyway, enjoy your weekend. Spend it with your loved ones. Stay blessed, stay peaceful, and have a great evening. Love you guys. Peace.